Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. भाई बारिश हो रहा है जबरदस्त। दुबई में जबरदस्त बारिश हो रहा है। This is how Dubai looks. बहुत कम चांस होता है दुबई में बारिश होने का। ये सुंदर नज़र है। अब देखो मेट्रो जा रहा है, मालूम मेट्रो जा रहा है। ज़बरदस्त हमको कम देखने को मिलता है, बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है ऐसा छतरी लेके जाने का आदमी इन दुबई। बहुत बहुत कम चांस होता है ऐसा छतरी लेके जाने का, देखने का। देखो ये नज़रिया है, देखो कैसा बारिश आ रहा है, बहुत ज़बरदस्त बारिश आ रहा है। ऐसा जो पानी गिरने का जो है ना, कम देखने को मिलता है दुबई में। ये दुबई का नज़रिया है। मौसम देखो कितना कितना clouded, and the rain, the predicted rain will come more than now. This is the scenario of this is in Dubai, Abu Hail area, and it is very polluted area, populated area, not polluted area, sorry. This is very populated area over here. This is an old building over here, and it is a history for this area. The Dubai people are staying before over here only, and this is the oldest city you can call Abu Hail, and all the buildings are demolished because it is old, and they are making new in that area. And whatever the old buildings are there, they try to demolish, and already one building is demolished over here. You can see all car are parked because they can't able to go because of this rain. You can see the rain how it comes, and I hope all are good and good health, and stay safe in your home. Whoever is staying in Dubai or UAE, stay safe in home, and take care of yourself. This is how the rain is coming in Dubai. And subscribe my channel and press bell icon and comment on that and support me. And whoever is not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon.